The next generation of family members is among the most important and valuable resources that a family has. Many families struggle with how those next generation family members can learn about and connect to the family business, especially if they're not working in the family business. We've worked with many families on next generation development programs, and a key component is to put next generation family members into positions where they're doing projects for the company. We call these hands-on projects, or HOPs, and they're similar in some ways to consulting engagements, where for a period of 3 to 6 months, a group of family members will come together and they will work on a particular problem that the family business may be facing. So for example, family that may be putting in a new human resources or recruiting program in their company can draw on some family members that may have experience in human resources outside of the family business and bring those experiences into the family business to help develop something like that. In developing a next generation to be prepared to be owners of a family business, many people believe that you either need to be all in or all out, in that you either need to be working in the business or you don't have anything to do with the family business. In our experience, we found that there are many shades of gray, either as active owners, board members, or for young family members, many times there's an opportunity for them to get more connected through a next generation development program that brings them closer to the business. So a hands-on project is an example of a way that they can better connect to the family business, get involved in the business, but not necessarily have that full-time commitment to the family business.